Huanekpak nazvagamkin una Naaqerkat App. Qailun tlu atulchkaank. This is the tutorial for the Naaqerkat app. On the home screen, Naaqerkat means books. When you click it, you'll see many different kinds of books to choose from. Asikumalrit means favorite or popular books. Nanilngorat means short ones. And Daklrit are long ones. So let's start with Akagogankak. The Kulirista is the storyteller. Igachti is the author of the book. Bilingochta is the illustrator. And Naaqista is the reader. Naaqitchna means read to me. Naaqfgnaku means don't read it. Dotu Naaqitchna. Chiuklirmakwani swipach kaugan.
Akagogankak. Mikkel gut huk ukutakkuilrit. Doi chak nernepsicheluten.
If you click a word, danch sugngan mumichtlcha, you'll see its translation in Gassadun. Jelly, you can see here the subject, Mikulngut, is purple, and the ending of the verbs referring to Mikulngut are also purple. Playing, they are. Being loud, they are. You can change the settings by clicking the icon at the top right. Going back to the menu, Naaqerkat means lessons. So you can first click your grade. Let's start with 3rd grade, Unit 1. For the first week, you have 3 different kinds of exercises. The first kind of exercise is a listening exercise. Ukut malichluki, follow these colors. Bisuch means to hunt, duk means it is. So bisuch ends in a rough sound, so you'll add duk. Akui means to play, and it ends in a long vowel, so you'll end it with chuk. Akui chuk.
Bio.
Dol ayuki, match the colors.
Chuk.
Atuch sounds like a rough ending.
Duk.
Duk.
Dai. Chuk. Achbach. Duk.
Once you've made progress,
Chuk. Kawach.
the colors will drop. So then you'll have to really listen to the end of the root. Kawach.
Duk. Igach. Duk.
The second type of exercise is the vocabulary exercise for studying on your own. Dungchuk, she's enthusiastic. So if you want the Gassadun, you can click the magnifying glass. If you know it, you can swipe right. Nalunritaka means I know it, and you won't see the card again. It is playing guitar. If you didn't know it, you can swipe left. Attam means again, so dangchikan attam, you'll see the card again after you review all of the cards in the deck. The last type of exercise is reading comprehension questions. So at a certain point, you'll be asked a question based on what you just read. If you get it wrong, you lose hearts at the top. So, in order to get a check mark for this exercise, you want to make sure you don't run out of hearts. You can download the app on the App Store or the Google Play Store by searching LKSD or Naaqerkat. Quyana chaknakni chukni luchi.